Okay, so hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about how to deploy Node.js application on Heroku with using a Heroku CLI and using direct and auto deployment using a GitHub. So let's get started. So first we will have to create a Node.js application. So let's create it. So first go to your directory and click and go to your command line, and in our case it's a git base here. So first we will initialize the project using npm init. Okay, it will ask some question like package name, version, description. We will give it like Heroku sample application. Okay, so sample. Okay, and record will be same, test command, leave it, git project. We will not delay at the time. Keywords you can give like Heroku or anything if you want. Author, give your name or whatever you like. License same. Is okay? Yes. Is finally yes. Okay. So our project has been initialized. Now open the now let's open this project in VS Code. Okay. So now let's install an Express for creating servers. Okay, npm Express here, and also let's install. Okay, npm Express is enough. Okay, let's install. Will take some time. Okay, so our Express has been installed, and now create one index.js file in the root directory. Okay. So it will be index.js. Now let's create some sample and Express.js code. So which we will use for creating our sample servers. So first we will import Express package, and then call it using app const. Let's call it X. Okay. Here we will also define our port which will be used to run our application. So first we will use process element and port. Another static will be our 4000. Okay. Let's listen it. App.listen, then port. It will have one callback. So let's add it. Let's and log it. Console log, so we can get idea it's our application is running properly. So let's listen on port. Here we are using tilde command, so make sure it and so now our application will be run, but now let's add some text so we can see in browser, so we can make sure our application is running perfectly. Okay, so it will be like this: app get, and we have a request response, and it will be a response send. You can directly copy paste my code here if you don't want to go in more detail, just want to just hello words. Okay, let's keep it simple. So now let's check our application. So go to terminal and type. Okay, so now let's go to package.json and change our script command. So instead of this paste, replace it with like start and did node index.js. Okay, fine. So now let's run it. Okay, so go to a terminal and type npm start. Okay, application on port 4000. So let's check in browser. Localhost 4000. Yeah, yes, our application is running. Okay. We need our one Heroku account so for deploying it. So go to your browser and go, and from this link sign up heroku.com. You can create a one for you. Okay, so and if you have already one, then let's log in it. Okay, in my case I have already, so I have logged in to the application dashboard, and now let's create a new app here. Okay, then click create new app. Okay, give your name. It will be unique name. Okay, so let's give Heroku. Let's see if it's available or not. Okay, okay, let's give some random number here. Yeah, it's available. Okay, now click on create app. So our application has been installed. So it's directly moved to deploy tab. Okay, so uh, we need to install our Heroku CLI using this link. Click on this link. Okay, below here is okay. So if you are using the Windows, you can download from here whatever are your requirement. And if you are macOS, you can simply use this command. So in my case, I have already installed, and you can once installed, you can check, you can verify using this command Heroku version. If you print something like this. Okay, so let's go back. In our case, it's already installed. Okay, so first we need to do Heroku login. So let's copy. Okay, Heroku login. Okay, press any key. It will redirect to another page, and then click on login. So once login successful, you can close this page and back to the terminal. Okay, now our login is successful. Now let's see what's next. Now next command is git init. It will initialize the empty git repository. Okay, now next is git Heroku. It will add a remote repository. Okay, it's also done. Now let's do the commands git add. Okay, commit git push Heroku. So it will create some it will compress some files where create node dependency on it, and finally once we'll success, it will run our application. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so our application is deployed, and it's on branch, it's using master branch. Okay, so let's check in browser. Go to overview tab. Open that. So finally our application is live on Heroku deployment. Okay, so we have done it. Okay, so now we will also do deployment using another way, like using GitHub. So what happens while using Heroku logins, you manually have to do git add and this command. So manual deployment using git CLI. So in case if you want to direct development, so we can do something like this. Okay, so you select GitHub, connect GitHub from here, and you can select your Git repo like this. Okay, and then you need to connect. Okay, then you need to select your user branch deploy. So which branch you want to deploy. Okay, and then click on enable automatic deployments. Okay, so whenever you make any comments, then it will deploy your project to this URL automatically. You don't have to manually do it. And once we enable, you need to also click on first deploy branch first time, so it will first deploy your application as it is for first time. Okay, so fine, so that's it. So hope you like it. So that's it for this tutorial. So if you have any questions or any suggestion, you can write through in the comment box. Okay, so thank you.